Today I'm going to demo the new PA RB65. So I've got a new PA trigger gun here, which is, it's pretty cool. I like it. I think we've been having a few guys test this on some soft wash systems out there that and get great results and great feedback on it. This is very similar to like a garden hose sprayer. So when you pull the trigger back all the way, you can get a stream, which is adjustable too. You can adjust the stream that you're spraying out the back with the screw on the back of it. You can use just a flathead screwdriver and adjust it and develop a fan if you want it. But what I like about it is when you're half pulled on the trigger, you get this great fan pattern, and you're not having to switch between nozzles or different nozzles to get a spray pattern or a stream. Now, what I'm going to do is I sprayed it earlier and we had some technical issues, so we're going to go spray it again. We got an area over here about 1,200 square feet. I'm going to be able to knock this area out in less than a minute. And I'm going to do a fan pattern. I'll show you how it sprays. But we've also got the new Stallion over here with the P40 pump that's doing 11 gallons a minute, and it's right around 300 PSI. This little thing's a beast. Go ahead and fire it up for me, Steph. This is Steph and been on the wave at Powerwash.com. One of the neat things, one of the things that I kind of played around with here is when I get ready to spray just a fad pattern, I just put my finger behind here so it's easy to hold it in place. And if I want to go that, pull it out, and now I've got a stream. It works out really easy that way. Otherwise I'm trying to gauge and I'm trying to move and it's going back in and out. So just hold my finger here, boom, I'm good. I wish it was still dry because it's a little damp now. But once I get done here, it's going to be completely soaked. So if you get your stopwatches out, go ahead and start them because we're going to see how long it takes. I don't have mine, but I promise you it'll be under a minute. So one of the things you want to think about with this is the fact that I'm able to spray down a pattern relatively fast. And it's not going to take me long to do this at all. And because of that, I'm going to save job time. And if I can save job time, I can get more jobs in on my schedule for the day, which will make me more productive, therefore more profitable. So just little things like that. Now, if I'm on the outside of a building or a house, so whatever that was, probably might have been even 30 seconds. That's how quick we did it. But say I'm on a building over here, and I'm trying to do this wall. Fan pattern isn't gonna work good on the bottom. I'm sorry, fan pattern will work great on the bottom, ain't gonna work good on the top, and a direct hit here isn't gonna work good on here, down low. So, got my fan pattern, knock this out real fast, start getting up to my spray pattern, or my direct stream. I come down, go back to the fan. It just makes it so much faster to use this little thing. Now keep in mind, this is gonna cost a lot more than a regular trigger gun or other things that you're gonna use out there. But it's the time it's gonna save you. It's the production that you're gonna get to reduce job time that will make you more profitable, more efficient, and therefore a lot more competitive in your ability to do jobs and grow your company and make that bottom line. So anyway, this is a new PA gun. We're gonna put a link for you down below. If you like this content I'm sharing with you, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see future notifications about it, hit the bell so you see those when we place them on YouTube. And of course, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I'm Mike Kinderlot at Powerwash.com. Have a safe and successful day. Take care.